This is the Demka Spoorbrug, a railway bridge in Utrecht over the Amsterdam-Rhine Canal, which can also be used for cycling. The bridge replaced an older version. It became necessary after the canal had been widened. The bridge was constructed from 1966 and opened in 1970. The main span is 173 meters long. The deck is at 9.5 meters over the water. There aren't many crossings. The next bridge south is at 1.3 kilometers. To the north, there is one at 3 kilometers. That is one of the reasons this is considered a main cycle route. And yet this bridge has a major shortcoming. The cycling deck is extremely narrow. It is only 1.8 meters wide for cycling in both directions. Passing others is difficult. People need to ride very close to the edges, which at this height can be quite daunting. And then you can also be startled by trains passing very closely. A bridge this narrow is simply outdated. The access ramps don't meet current design standards either. While the north ramp may just be wide enough, it is too steep. The south ramp is a disaster. It is much too narrow, considering it is also used by motor scooters. It is very steep and it has a 180-degree turn that very few people can make in one go. Most have to put at least 1 foot to the ground. Others get into real trouble and almost risk falling. This person drove into the fence. Utrecht does want to upgrade this bridge. The city put it at number 3 of a list of 9 bridges that urgently need to be updated. Unfortunately, the bridge doesn't belong to the city. It is owned by the railways. They already missed an opportunity to do something when the railway was expanded. A brand new bridge was added in 2002, and this old one was completely refurbished. Plans exist to replace the narrow cycle bridge with a wider version, but apparently the old bridge could not support a wider and heavier new cycling bridge. A new parallel cycle bridge would be the answer. Stakeholders are now looking at the national government to allocate money to upgrade this bridge to a quality befitting a main cycle route.